So let's start today's PTQ or MCQ questions discussion. So first image which is on your screen, that is 17 marks question, where as per the exam pattern you will get the partial marks. Here we see on the screen, count the number of the difference between the two images. So here we have a two image and you are supposed to count the difference in between. You have to find out the right answer. So look at this image very carefully. See that banana and the so many things, fruits are different fruits are there. It's like look very interesting, but there are the difference in this and a lot of difference. We can see it here. There are although. So if you will give the all right answer, okay, difference is 7, difference is 5, difference is 3. So you will get marks partially in this question. Let's go to the next question, which will comes. Here in PTQ, this kind of a questions is here to confuse you a bit. Normally we were expecting the question will come that is more towards this, but here we have changed it a pattern a bit. You are supposed to count the number of the tiles. Here again you will get the partial marks. Like suppose if you are given the right answer, the tiles, tiles, total number of the tiles is 156 or 210 or 144, 122. So partially you will get marks for this questions, and that's what the answer is also mentioned here: 112, 114, 115. So whichever option you will select in this questions. Now you have to see that tricky way, how you can count the tiles properly. If you would ask me, I will suggest you look at the entire portion, select the area which is in shape of the square in center, and rest of the small area you can count separately. So rest area you count, and then you can you can just make it this one. So that's what you can do it. Well, so this question, if still you have any doubt, I would again like to repeat, every extra area you can consider it as a small circle, count that area ka shapes, and center one which you have, that is the bigger square, you can consider it. Now let's move to the other questions. The next question will come in your screen, that is a question number 3. Here in this question you need to read the question properly. In this image which is shown, object have been duplicate and rotated. Which object are not arranged around the perfect circle? So now you have to see that each image are here in the proper rotation methods, and in following this one you have an answer go over here. So if you will go for answer, so suppose if you have an answer is D and E in this. So if you will select the right answer accordingly, following the PTQ, we are following, if you have to see this particular set of the question, we are following the PTQ methods only. But following the PTQ methods also, we are change the question, we bit twisted, so that in case in exam, the second exam which is gonna come, if they will change the bit pattern, still you will be able to answer such questions. Next, move to the next answer question. I'll tell you here the answer was D and E. Now next, move to the next questions here after the fold. Now this is MCQ. Here you need to find out that square which you have a piece of the paper cut. So step by step you will see cutting has been done here, and then you have this paper and you started folding, followed by the way it is mentioned. Okay, first you have to fold, suppose if this is the paper, so first you have to fold like this. Second step, they are saying that if you will fold the paper from here, and then if you will fold the paper like this, from here if you will fold the paper like this, so how it will look? The option number B, option number C, which one is the right answer? At the same time, if you will see, there is a fold also here. So A and D is not possible, either the option number B and C. So you need to look at this questions are practically, you need to visualize it, or else a small paper and piece if you have, you can try to find it. But normally if it comes in 2D is possible, but 3D, then you have to make it your visualization more and more strong. Okay viewers, So let's move to the next question. I know you want to solve the entire paper here, and that's what we have in this particular session, the entire paper. Now look at this composition, group 1, group B, you have here, you have to eliminate and try to find out the right answer. Why not the answer is C? That may comes in your mind. Why the answer in this particular question will have B? Here A, B, C, D, if we have an option, I can eliminate the E easily, D also, A also, but B and C logically you may find okay, C is also the answer, but from here onwards there is no partial mark, so you have to answer it properly. So that is the right answer, only you will get the mark. So A, B, C, D is the option here, and you have to go with the right answer. That's B. Well, so another question which comes in your screen now, the set of fruits and vegetables that's just in a row, and now you have to find out which one is the right answer in this A, B, C, D. Again, green one A you can eliminate, light green C you can eliminate, B and D is the reason of the confusion in such question. Let me go and read the question. Which of the option will replace the question mark? So that means question mark at the end. Now you see, so towards more oranges it's become yellowish, and that is near to orange color will be a more friendly in this. So D is towards the green, B is towards the yellowish and oranges, so B will be the right answer. So that's what you are supposed to solve this kind of the question, my dear. Sometimes you have to use, dear student, you have to use the method of elimination also, which is a very important method and important to be having such kind of a question in the exam. It's become more important. Well, so next move to the next question, which comes in your skin on now. Here, font selection. Very smartly you have to select the font. Which font? Again, A and B, D you can remove aram se. Now the B and C is the option. Let me know which one you found is more closest, nearest, where you see that font and that flow, and why that is the answer is. Now let's move to the question number 8. So question number 8, which you would ask me, so very nice question. It's depend on the human gesture. Okay, if you are holding something, if you are just walking, if you are walking speedily, if you are pushing something, and you are doing very hard, which is the right answer? So again, C and D is not possible in this question. You may think A and B. Why B? Why not A? Because A is only possible if something is very hard, very you cannot, maybe suppose if you are pushing, so it's like, see, the body is completely tilted, so that means I'm pushing that object. But here you are taking it very clear, in a relax. You do not need to put that much of effect. So B, body position, is the right answer rather than A. C and D, easily we can see those are the walk body positions. So that cannot be answered, neither A nor D. So B is the right answer for this particular question. Now we'll see the question number 10 and 9. Yeah, sorry. So 9.1 you have to visualize very carefully, very easy question which you are solving maybe from since your childhood. So which one is the right answer? Like suppose if you will see first image. So which one will go the best? That one we need to find. So you need to find that. Let me read the question for you. Which of the option correctly show the silhouette of the given image? So as it is silhouettes of the given image, if you want to see in black and white how it will look, so that's what the answer is. Here you have to find. Now question number 10, and that will be the last question of this paper. So here anyone, which one will fit in the composition? When you will see that the angle is also changing from there to there. And then another thing, what is happening apart from the angle, if you will see, so you have to look at the entire object. Nature is also changing. So first itself, if you will see 90, 90 and 90 and 40, we see it's changing almost 90 and 100, 135 degree. Another one is again changing 90 and 180, that's almost the same. So now here that will come to here, and then after that it will goes to the another 45 degree. So if you will see, easily you can find the answer. So you need to tell me, what do you think, which one is the answer? Is that answer C is correct, D is correct, B is correct? So that's what, dear students, so this was your entire paper was. But if you would ask me, paper, how to solve, how to do it, this kind of paper you want us to share more and more here, I would like to make sure that you keep attention in the paper, keep solving such paper, keep sending us the answer in the chat box. And similar things, if you want to be a part of it, make sure that go and start following the Instagram. There we'll get a lot of information about Ignite, a lot of information about your test and upcoming series. So next step is just go follow and send us the hi message. After following, you will get the batch code for test link, and there are many more things which you can access. However, we are having a paid rapid course also. So if you are interested, you can join our program. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope this is really helpful for your PTQ MCQ type question, which was going to come in your NATA exam, which is on 12th of September. Thank you. Thank you.